If you want to apply wallpaper effect and frame on Samsung Galaxy A17, then first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here, if you scroll down, you should be able to find wallpaper and style, so let's go ahead and choose it. Then we can go to our home screen, for example. And then at the bottom, as you can see, we have frame and effect. Now, most likely you need to have a custom wallpaper in order to find these options. If you choose one of these wallpapers that you can find here, then most likely you won't have these options. But if you choose these options, then as you can see, we have different frames that we can use. You can also use suggestions on the left side in order to try to use something that you may like. So as you can see here, we have the preview. And you can also press suggest again in case you don't like any of them. And that's pretty much it. Here we have the effect, of course, so you can apply a blur, you can use grayscale, you can use colors or dark. And that's pretty much it. Press done in order to apply your changes. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.